let's learn to skate. So conceptually, skating is not very difficult. You're just imagining that you're skating your feet along an ice rink. Okay, there's just no ice rink, so you have to create an illusion that you're sliding on the floor. This can be difficult, so what you want to do is create a small bounce with your knees. You want to keep your knees nice and soft. You're never going to straighten your legs up all the way. All right? So in hip-hop, skating is simply just traveling like this. Okay, this is the basic skate. And you notice that when I'm doing this, I'm not like picking my leg up and stepping. I'm just sliding it along the floor, like this. So what makes this happen, the slide, is that I'm actually pushing off of one of my legs. Boom. So this leg controls how fast I slide out. So when you practice this for the first time, try to see how slow or how long you can maintain that slide for before you just get to the end, right? You don't want to go into a split. Same thing on the other side. You want to make sure that you can bend and support your weight over that standing leg, right? If you have any knee or ankle issues, don't push really, really far because you don't want to hurt yourself. You can just push a little bit if you need, but still try to control the speed that your leg goes out. All right, so 2 types of skates today. First one is just going to be a single leg skate. So I'm going to skate back like this, and I'm going to pull my foot forward like this. 1, 2, and again, I'm practicing control by keeping my weight over my left leg in this case. It feels like I actually have no weight in my right leg, but I'm keeping my foot on the floor just a little bit so that it looks like I'm skating. If I kept my foot off the floor, then I lose that illusion, right? So try to keep your toe on the floor, like this. You can also lift your leg a little bit to push it back, if you want to give it a little bit of a kick. Boom. Boom. But you don't need to lift at all if you don't want to, all right? So we're going to do this motion, and we're going to switch legs every 4. So I'm going to kick 1, 2, 3. I go 4, I'm going to open my knees, and I go to the other side. In, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can go back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want something to do with your hands, think that they're matching your feet. When your feet come together, bring your hands together. When they go out, bring it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can kick a little bit. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. I can do a little bit less of an angle. I can bring it to the front, or I can keep it to the side. Okay, smoothness is the name of the game with the skate. Another version of the skate is the kind of like if you imagine gliding and shifting your weight, you can do the same thing with your skate. So when I kick out and bring it in again, I can actually send the energy of this leg into this one. So I come up, I push out, up, push out. So this one I like to actually come a little bit forward, 1, or even lifting up, and then this leg is going to just take the place of that leg. Comes up, takes its place. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First version, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and that's the skate. You notice that as I do it, there's a slight pulse, a bounce. When I push out, I'm bouncing down. When I transfer my weight, I come up a little bit, and then I bounce again. So bounce up, bounce, 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 bounce, up, bounce, bounce, up, bounce. Try to maintain that as you do the skate. Let's try with music.